Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to send a do not track request when browsing the web? Google Chrome has an option called Send a do not track request. In this tutorial, I will show you how to find this setting and turn it on or off on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then tap Settings. Next, tap Privacy and Security. Then tap Send a Do Not Track request. The Do Not Track settings will appear. Here, you can turn the option on or off. Turn it on to send a Do Not Track request with your browsing traffic. The effect depends on whether the website responds to the request. To turn it off, tap the switch again. And that's how to enable or disable the Do Not Track request in Google Chrome on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.